top-selling Chevrolet Camaro models around the globe. Discover the most popular Chevrolet Camaro models that have won the hearts of drivers worldwide. From the affordable and efficient Camaro LT to the luxurious and powerful Camaro ZL1, these muscle cars stand out in the market. See how the Camaro SS and Camaro RS blend performance with style, offering something for every type of driver. Join us as we explore the key features and global popularity of these top Camaro models. Don't miss out on the future of high-performance driving with Chevrolet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Camaro LT, Chevrolet's best-selling model, known for its affordability and efficiency. A global favorite for its balance of performance and value. Camaro SS, the high-performance version of the Camaro, popular among enthusiasts for its powerful engine and sporty design, achieves high sales numbers similar to the Camaro LT. Camaro ZL1, Chevrolet's top-tier performance car, known for its incredible power and luxury features, preferred by many despite its higher price. Camaro RS, Chevrolet's stylish and versatile model, known for its sporty aesthetics and advanced technology, combines high performance with modern features, achieving significant sales figures. Camaro RS, Chevrolet's stylish and versatile model, known for its sporty aesthetics and advanced technology, combines high performance with modern features, achieving significant sales figures.